Okay, today we're going to look at opening a Betfair Exchange account. We're going to need an exchange account to lay off any bets that we do with any of the other bookmakers. So it's going to be the first account that you open. You'll see the link below the video. Just click on the link and then come on through to the Betfair Exchange to sign up. So I'm going to get this form filled out, pause the video, and then rejoin the video after everything's done. Okay, so next up we need to add some funds to the account, which is fairly straightforward. I'm going to start off by adding £50. Okay, so £50 has been credited to my account, and we can click on Start Betting. So in front of us we do actually have an offer opening up the Betfair Exchange, and that's a free £20 Betfair Exchange voucher if our first bet loses. They're basically going to refund any bet up to £20 in cash if it doesn't come through. We're not going to place a £20 bet, but we're going to lay our first bet using the Betfair Exchange. And if it does lose, which it is likely to, then we will be getting a bit of money back. But we'll worry about that when we do our first offer. Just to quickly talk you through the Betfair interface, we're selected on the Exchange tab. They do also have their Bookies tab, which is a sports book, and then everything else, casino, arcade, slots, etc. Up the top here, we've got your live balance, which for us is £50. And then indeed, if you had any balances across the various different platforms. Got account information. The only other thing I will say on this is it's a really good idea to set up two-step authentication. I'll do that with any account where I can, just for added security, because you can end up with quite a few hundreds, if not thousands of pounds in your exchange or any of the bookies accounts, and you do not want someone hacking into that and stealing your money. So the more security, the better, but I think I'll cover that in a separate video. So for now, that's it for the Betfair Exchange. You should have your Betfair account opened and a deposit made of around £50.